Let's make corn sweet cream with orange and fennel. I find this one particularly tasty, so let's start. For the ingredients, we will need 1/4 cup of fine corn semolina, 4 tablespoons of brown rice syrup, 1 orange peel, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, a pinch of sea salt, cinnamon powder, 1 cup of filtered water, and 1 slice of orange. In a pan, we mix the water, the semolina, the cinnamon stick, the star anise, the salt, the orange peel and zest, half of the fennel seeds, the syrup, and we mix everything very well over low heat. We let it cook until it becomes really thick, always mixing it. This is very important. Now we remove the cinnamon stick, the orange peel and the star anise. And we put the mixture in a bowl. We sprinkle with some cinnamon powder and fennel seeds, and we also can decorate with an orange slice. You can eat it right away or wait until it solidifies a little bit more and then enjoy it with a smile. Bon appétit! Let's make butternut sweet cream with cinnamon. This one reminds me of crème brûlée, which is really tasty. Let's start. For the ingredients, we will need 100 grams of butternut squash, 15 grams of gluten-free whole oat flakes, 6 tablespoons of brown rice syrup, 250 milliliters of filtered water, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot flour, plus 3 tablespoons of filtered water, 1 cinnamon stick, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and a pinch of sea salt. We start by blending the flakes with the water, and then we strain the liquid to obtain the oat milk. We now peel the butternut and we blend it with the milk and the salt. We now put this mixture in a pan, adding the cinnamon stick, and we cook it over low heat. As soon as it starts boiling, we add the syrup and we let it cook for a few more minutes. In a small bowl apart, we dilute the arrowroot flour in 3 tablespoons of water and we add it to the mixture, always stirring it. When it starts becoming creamy, we turn off the heat. We remove the cinnamon stick. And we pour this cream into small bowls. We now let it cool, and we sprinkle with some cinnamon powder on top. You can also put them in the fridge or eat them right away, as you wish. Be creative, have fun, and bon appétit! Let's make Carob sweet cream with hazelnut. Of course, this one can also be called Carob mousse. It will always depend on the texture of the result. So let's start. For the ingredients, we will need 100 grams of whole carob bar, 200 grams of gluten-free oat cream, 1 tablespoon of brown rice syrup, and 2 tablespoons of hazelnut spread. We start by putting all the ingredients in a pan. Cook it over low heat until all the bar is melted. It's very important that you don't let everything boil and burn. Once it's done, we put the cream in small dessert bowls and we let it cool in the fridge for a few hours. You can see that the result looks really great. This is it. Time to eat. Enjoy. Bon appétit.